Rustic Rose, seasonal home decor, spring, summer, winter, fall. Rustic Rose.
Hi friends, it's me Rose and welcome back to my channel, The Rustic Rose. Hey listen friends, I wanted to come on here real quick because I know we're in July and I know I've been doing a lot of summer-ween crafts for you, but I haven't done anything Christmas in July for you, so I thought I'd come on here real quick and show you what I picked up last year. And yeah, so if you're ready, here we go. I picked up this little guy. Let me bring him in close. It's just a cute little wooden snowman that I picked up at a secondhand store. Now friends, sometimes if you go into a secondhand store or an antique store, you'll find little crafts that are just need a little help. You know, they've been worn and yeah, you know, and so I saw this little guy and I thought, oh, I just fell in love with him. I have a thing for snowmen. Anywho, I just fell in love with him and I thought, you know what? He still has a few more good years in him and I'm gonna just elevate him. And so I did. So real quick, all I really did was bring him home, clean him up, and then I went in with my chalk paint by Waverly Snow White all over it, let that dry thoroughly, and then went in with my acrylic paints, friends. And you can paint him any color you want. I redid his hat, well, pretty much redid all of him. And added some little embellishments. I added some little berries up there. I added this cute little scarf on him. And down at the bottom, I painted the little Christmas tree down here and added these little embellishments down here. Redid the little bird down there. Anywho, friends, this little guy is a calendar, so you can change the dates as you get into the month of December. And friends, let the kids help you out with that. They're always looking forward to changing the numbers and looking how close it is before Santa gets there. Anywho, friends, I just wanted to show you this beautiful piece. I thought it turned out so cute. I put my cute little face on him and I just love him. I love the way he turned out and he's just so cute. Anywho, friends, I hope this video inspires you to get out there and go look at a antique store or a secondhand store and see what you come up with. But again, friends, if you find something, just make sure you are, you know, ready to like, okay, I think I can refresh him. I think I can restyle him. I think I can elevate him. And just start off with the simple piece. Anywho, friends, I hope this video inspires you to get out there and get crafting. And if it did, don't forget to give me a thumbs up and don't forget to sprinkle me out. And until we see each other again, friends, take care and bye-bye.
Rustic Rose, seasonal home decor, spring, summer, winter, fall. Rustic Rose, sunshine.